Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Together. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We will learn how to greet people and how to introduce ourselves in English. Imagine this situation. You meet someone for the first time, maybe at school, maybe at work, or maybe while traveling. They smile and say, "Hello," and suddenly your mind becomes empty. You want to speak English, but you don't know what to say next. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and natural ways to greet people and introduce yourself in English. Let's begin. Greeting is the first step of every conversation. When you greet someone politely, you create a good first impression. Think about this. If someone smiles and says, "Hello, nice to meet you," you immediately feel comfortable. That is the power of a greeting. The most common greeting in English is hello. You can use hello almost anywhere, at work, at school, at a shop, or when meeting someone new. Example: "Hello, how are you?" Another friendly greeting is hi. Hi is more casual and relaxed. Example: "Hi, nice to see you." In English, greetings can also depend on the time of day. In the morning, we say, "Good morning." Example: "Good morning. How are you today?" In the afternoon, we say, "Good afternoon." Example: "Good afternoon. Nice to meet you." In the evening, we say, "Good evening." Example: "Good evening. How are you?" After greeting someone, we usually ask a simple question. The most common question is, "How are you?" Example conversation: "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." Another natural question is, "How are you doing?" Possible answers are, "I am good," "I am doing well," "I am great today." Now let's learn how to introduce ourselves. When you meet someone new, you can say, "Hello, my name is Ravi. Nice to meet you." Another natural way is, "Hi, I'm Ravi. It's nice to meet you." You can also add more information. Example: "Hello, my name is Ravi. I am from a small town. I am learning English." This is a simple and natural introduction. After introducing yourself, you may want to ask the other person's name. You can ask, "What is your name?" Example conversation: "Hello, my name is Ravi. What is your name?" "My name is Anaya. Nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too." Let's look at a simple real-life conversation. Person A says, "Hello, good morning." Person B replies, "Good morning. How are you?" Person A: "I am doing well, thank you." Person B: "What is your name?" Person A: "My name is Ravi. What about you?" Person B: "My name is Anaya. Nice to meet you." Now it is your turn to practice. Say these sentences out loud. "Hello, my name is Ravi. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?" Practice every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for watching Learn English Together. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.